Hi everyone, so this is an instructional tutorial on getting started with your poster in case you're having any problems with getting started. So in case you missed our session when we went through quite a few ICT skills regarding getting started with your poster, this is a tutorial for that which should help. Guys, again, as I mentioned, there were a few people very interested in drawing or making a model. What you can do is take a picture and add it to your poster, or again, you are also very free to make a poster by hand and submit a picture of that. So you also have that option. You're not restricted to the template that I provided. So guys, to get started, you go to Google Classrooms and go down to your assignment. So it's this one here, a mini project, because what we're doing now is a mini project, a poster on what you think is the most. You are doing is you are making a poster to convince us that the part of the body that you picked is indeed the most important. So with that, remember to make a claim. So, hey, I think that the brain is the most important part of the body. Back it up with information. Explain that information in your own words, and keep referring back to the fact that this is why it's the most important part of the body. This is why it's the most important part of the body. So essentially, you're persuading us. So it's a persuasive poster. So guys, do remember those steps. And yep, so guys, go down. So in your assignment for the mini project, go down and you will find quite a few things to help. You've got my example. So that's my example, guys, the one I made for you, to give you ideas and to give you an idea of how you can go about your poster. And I've also provided you with a template. So you are very welcome to use that to make your poster. But again, guys, you're not restricted to this. You are very able, you guys are very able. I've seen some super work from you, but you are very free to do your poster in a different way. So a lot of people actually have been quite interested in using an app called Canva. So I have had a couple of posters come in already where Canva has been used. So Canva is actually this. So this is the address for that. It's www.canva.com. And it's an app that you can download. And the application, the app itself, allows you to make all kinds of different things, including posters. So you can add pictures, writing to your poster. So it's one of the ways that you can go about it. Indeed, it's one of the ways that some of you have already created a poster and have submitted it. So guys, yes, you are very free to use something like this or any other app that you may have used or that you like. You can use that to make your poster. You can also use a blank sheet, on Word document to create your own poster. So you're not restricted to this template. So guys, just to remind you of what our template looks like, I'll first begin by opening my example poster. So yes, guys, this here is my example poster that I created for you. What is the most important part of your body is what I wrote for the heading. But again, guys, you can also make your heading. You could put your claim in your heading. So, hey, so you could put something like, I think the brain is the most important part of the body. What do you think? Something like that. Or the brain is the most important part of the body, exclamation mark. Yeah. So that's a very strong way of making your claim there. So I've started with a question. What is the most important part of your body? To get the reader's interest. And then I've started with so following that, I've put in an introduction, which makes my claim. We learn a lot about the heart, but that's not the most important part of your body. It is actually your brain and the nerve system. So do you guys see how with attitude, by mentioning that we learn about the heart, but that's not the most important part, the brain is, how I've put that down? That's my claim there. I've then gone on to back it up with information about how the brain works, how it is so important. I've put that in my own words to get the idea across that the brain is the most important part of the body. So again, I've repeated that. I've mentioned it again. The most important part of your body is your brain and nerve system. So I'm really getting that across to the reader that it is indeed the brain that's the most important. So that's the purpose of your poster, guys. And I've added a video. I've added a picture. So this is, I've also provided you with a template to create your poster in this way. So guys, after this, there is a page of notes and there's some information there for you. So guys, you start off with your claim. Yeah. So just as I mentioned, and then back it up with information, explain that information and keep reminding the reader that of the part of the body that you're saying is the most important. So this here, guys, is a template for you. So again, guys, we access it by clicking on it from Google Classroom's template for your poster. So once you've clicked that, and if you're using a device and you're not using a laptop, then you may also need to click this button over here that looks like an arrow. Though if you're on a laptop, it will automatically open up, so you won't need to click any arrow. So this is what your template, your document will look like, guys. So in this template, you can actually make a number of changes. So you can, so again, if you're on a device, guys, it might ask you to edit slide. So you can change your heading. Yeah, you can put in your own text here, and you can insert pictures. So guys, these are some I inserted while I was showing you how to do it in session. So guys, if you click anywhere in the text, it will give you the option to type your own text, so you can get rid of what's here. So again, if you look, it says here's some text, remove it and replace it with your own. So this is a template, guys. You can fill this in with your own information, and then you can even add videos and pictures. So on a device, guys, you'll have something like a plus button, which will give you the option to add an image, okay, but on or add a link, for example. So that's how I added my video. I inserted the YouTube link here, and I was able to insert that video there that way. On a laptop, you simply go to your menu settings and press insert, and you can add an image from there and a video. Again, guys, if you go to a website and press copy an image from a website, you can also paste, right? And on a laptop, guys, you go edit, paste in from the menu settings. So guys, just as I showed you in session. So guys, this is a template for you. So do change things around in here, get rid of what's not needed and put in your own title. Get rid of this text, put in your own text, insert an image of your choosing, or insert a video even. So guys, that's how we get started with that. But again, you're very welcome to do your poster a different way. You don't have to use this template. You can use the Canva app that I showed you a few moments ago. And you're also very welcome to do your poster on paper and submit a picture of it. So have fun with that, guys. And if you have any questions, do message me. See you in session, guys.